Alright, this is 3.2 calculator. We're going to look at example 3-22. This time to calculate the standard deviation and the variance and whatnot, they're using midpoint and frequency. So how do we get the calculator to do that for us? Well, the book already spit out what the midpoints were, which I stored to L1, and what the frequency of each of those classes were, which I stored to L2. Alright, so again, notice I'm having both a class list and a frequency list in L1 and L2. Make sure not to switch those out. It would be really bad. Alright, so again, if I want to have the calculator run the information for me, I'm going to, so I cleared my screen, press stat. Go over to calculate, I'm going to use one var statistics, hit enter, and now it's going to be L1, L2, hit enter, and it runs it for me. And it gives me a lot of useful information. The average for our midpoints and frequency is 24.5. Again, what the sum would be of all the values, what the sum of the squares would be of all the values, and what we're interested in right now is the standard deviation of this sample. Not population, sample. So we use S sub x, and that's the standard deviation of it. Now, if we wanted the variance, what would I do? I would take 8.28759, or however many decimals you want, and square it, and round it to what the book asks of us. So there you have the calculator doing variance with midpoint and frequency.